Hey, you Legendary Jewels fans! This is design number 2 in the key collection contest. This is got light sapphire and also vitriol light Swarovski around the edges. Of course, it's got that beautiful eye in the middle, and it's a little bit unique in that it has keyholes in the stem of the key. It has a sort of Baroque type flag to it. It is on a 16-inch chain. If I didn't mention the name, this is called the Key of Watching. And then of course it has the little key charm here at the end of the extension chain. So make sure you share these posts on the Facebook, the Legendary Facebook page, so that you can be in the contest to win the Princess Key. Remember, express yourself.